Pessimism is seen all across global stock markets. The pessimism bias is ruling the roost as things seem to be worse than they are. The consensus trade is being bearish, ironically creating a crowded trade on the short side. Blame Tuesday's pessimism on 1. Wall Street plunges as Trump fails to rule out recession. President Trump has declined to rule out a recession due to his tariff policy changes, describing the current economic phase as a period of transition. Amidst this backdrop, all eyes will be on a key set of inflation readings from the US. 1. The CPI data for February to trickle in on Wednesday, 12th March. 2. The PPI figures slated to be wired on Thursday, 13th March. Please note, a hotter-than-expected inflation reading, paired with Friday's weaker-than-expected US jobs report, could ideally stoke concern about the risk of stagflation. A scenario where investors feel inflation is reaccelerating while the economy is slowing. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 485 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 264 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum on the daily charts. FNO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.98 levels. At last check, USD INR was trading firm at 87.40. Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 0.92. Nifty outlook, any excessive optimism is likely to be fragile. Sell on any intraday strength. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 2460. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,227 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,689 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2250 and 22600. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48217. Bank Nifty's make-or-break support seen at 47,844 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,500 and 48500. Bias for the day is negative. What happened at Wall Street in Friday's trade? The bearish landscape suggests Nifty bulls will look to lighten their long positions primarily on backdrop of the fact that the market faces an extensive technical damage amidst 1. This year, FIIs have been buyers only in 3 trading sessions. 2. This FY25, FIIs have already net sold to the tune of Rs 414,392 crores. Net, the stock market is stuck in an ominous pattern, and here are the 3 negative takeaway from yesterday's trade. 1. Bank Nifty, minus 0.58%, ended on a jittery note. 2. Almost all sectoral indices had ended in red with Nifty Realty Index tumbling 2.46%, followed by Nifty PSU Banks, minus 2.03%, followed by Nifty Oil and Gas Index, minus 1.99%, while the Nifty Midcap shed 1.8% and Small Cap dropped 2.36%. 3. Reliance Industries, minus 1.02%, and Larsen, minus 2.07%, were the biggest drag amongst Nifty stocks. Technically, Nifty continues to trade way below its biggest hurdles at 24,066 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Technically, from here on, Nifty's line in the sand is at 22,227 mark. Please note, below 2227, Nifty is likely to face a sum of all fears type sell-off.